see all three. All three.
No.
And would the babies have had to wait until the end?
Say what?
So the males let their babies feed right at the beginning? Or, you know?
So what happened here is, I'll say the lionesses made the kill.
Right.
Most likely one went to fetch the cubs and then they were feeding. And then these males, they may have just come after. You can see the females are full-bellied as well as the cub. When it was walking around, you see it looks like it's 9 months pregnant.
Wind change or something? No,
I'm not getting hungry.
I think it's Terrence.
It smells
but we're used to bad smells. You know, we have a lot of livestock in our area. Cattle shit, hog shit, chicken shit, turkey shit. We even eat their balls in our area.
Yeah, one of them is kind of tucked up under the hind leg.
That's a very happy lioness. No.
Are they nursing?
Yeah, they are.
Oh. You see all three. All three.
That's a very happy lioness. No.
Are they nursing?
Yeah, they are.
Oh.
Smell or something. Wind change or something? No,
I'm not getting hungry.
I think it's Terrence.
It smells
but we're used to bad smells. You know, we have a lot of livestock in our area. Cattle shit, hog shit, chicken shit, turkey shit. We even eat their balls in our area.